I'm Roberto Grande, and it's the fresh California fig season, which means it's time to get excited about cooking simple and delicious dishes. And with fresh California figs, a delicious dish is just a few minutes away. Now first you have to resist eating them right out of the basket because they're so delicious on their own. But today I'm going to make sort of a classic fresh tomato salsa and add a little fig sophistication to it. First, for like classic tomato salsa, I'm going to put the tomatoes in the blender. A little fresh white onion, of course some serrano chili, some cilantro, and a good squeeze of fresh lime juice, then a little pinch of salt and pepper, and then I'm just going to grind it in the blender. Now I'm going to add a little fig sophistication. We'll just take some of these beautiful figs, take the stems off, and then just chop the fig, even just in quarters. Then we'll add them to the blender for a little extra summer flavor. And then just pulse it so they're just lightly ground. So now we're ready for our irresistible fig salsa and chips. So when you think delicious, think figs. And when you think figs, think California.